decorating with me for the holidays, you guys. So I decided I was going to put up a little holiday decoration this go around. I wasn't going to put up anything. The fact that I just feel like the holidays just not the same this year after losing my father. Thanksgiving was different. So I decided I was not going to put up a tree. Well, me and my daughter decided we was going to skip putting up a tree. We were going to decorate the house and just try to get in the holiday spirit that way. I think we're going to do Christmas at my sister's house, so it was no need for me to just put up a big tree, and we wasn't going to be, pretty much home like that for the holidays. But literally this is everything I've had in my closet for years, and I said, what the heck, since I might as well just do something. Y'all know I've been in this funk, like this ugly funk of, just grieving different, just trying to figure out the new norm for myself without, having my dad around. I know that my loved ones still depend on me to keep things going and moving around. So, yeah, I just start pulling out some knickknacks that I had in the closet, just getting myself into the holiday spirit. And, y'all, I'm actually loving it, and I'm loving how things are going. So, I'm going to kind of go as I flow with this. I'm cleaning up as well. I'm not going in order. I got things pretty much everywhere. And when I come in the house, I literally always throw things on this table. So I like to try to keep it clean. But y'all know, single mom out here, like, things get hectic. So yeah, this is a wig from a hair company on Amazon. Y'all know I get all these wigs sent to me. So yeah, I just received it in the mail, and I was like, let me get everything up. Like, even my daughter, like, I'm telling her, like, come get your things, her lunchbox, things like that. So I'm pretty much putting everything away. And yeah, so cleaning is therapeutic for me. Sometimes it can get overwhelming because I'm just like, it's not enough time in one day. I just need some more time. But when I clean, it just makes everything just flow better, easier. I just feel good about myself when I clean. So I have to tell her, like, come on, you finna help. So she enjoys helping me clean as well, y'all. When I tell y'all, she had this hoverboard for about 2 years, and these are literally her shoes because she rides this hoverboard through the house to go everywhere, to the restroom, to the kitchen. She have this. So y'all, I had to step in and help her, like, kind of show her what to do. And yeah, I ain't even realized that she had then turned around and came to the camera and smiled at y'all. But I gave it back to her so she can finish the mirror since she asked. But at this point, y'all, I started to notice that she was just playing around. She wasn't really trying to, wipe it as good. So, of course, me being me, the perfectionist I am, I had to step in and help her. But she's my girl, so I love her helping hand at times. So yeah, I'm just gonna pretty much just wipe down everything, clean really, really good. And once you start cleaning, it just makes the house smell and just smells so refreshed. So I had this tree also, and she wanted to decorate it, so we changed the centerpiece. I'm just going to just clean up, y'all. Y'all know how it goes when you clean up. Like I said, it's very much therapeutic for me, and seeing my house clean just make things flow easier, y'all. And I'm like literally so ready to move. But even though this not where I want to be right now, this apartment is where I'm at right now. So I'm going to treat it as if, even though it might not be where I want to be, but I'm here now, so I'm going to keep it clean, keep it, taken care of really good, and just love it while I'm here because I know God has better plans. And especially now, God, and now that my dad's with him, things going to be happening even more. So, I just decided I'll just get this process going. I don't know what Christmas is going to look like. I do have a few things in store. You guys will just have to stay tuned for that. But yeah, you guys, and like I said, the things that I did have been in my closet for years, and I didn't realize it until it was time for me to start putting decorations up. So as you see these little flaky things, whatever, they're blue, and I just literally thought of, wow, this is my dad's favorite color, blue, and it's only right. And then I noticed that it was the deer head on the thing. Then I had the deer little thing right there, and I had the deer on the blanket. Y'all, if y'all know me and y'all know my dad, he loves to hunt. That was like one of his favorite things. So I just felt like that was a sign, like, oh my gosh, like it was literally just right on time. It just made me feel really good that, I literally didn't have to go out and buy anything. I literally had everything in my apartment already. So yeah, it just made me feel good. I just felt his presence as I, decorated. I just felt like he was just with me the entire time, because like, what a coincidence, right? So yeah, I just said I was gonna start showing you guys what I do, how I do it. I'm a 365 days single mom. My daughter is with me all day, pretty much every single day. I do get breaks sometimes. She goes to my sister's house. She loves going with my sister, spending the weekend or a day with her. But most of all, she's with me, and it's just us. And like I said, with us just being us two, y'all might think it's easier to keep your house clean, but when I tell y'all, I have so much stuff, she has so much stuff, so I just try to keep it clean as much as I possibly can, dusting. And I like to clean and let her watch me clean, because it's like you have to be a clean person. Like, you can't be around me not being a clean person, like, because I'm a very clean person. And so I just love for her to see that, because it was instilled in me from my mom. Like, my mom clean. Like, I literally watched my mom clean. That was like her thing, my thing on the weekend. So I really want my daughter to pick up this habit of keeping your area clean, especially where you live. So making just not, throwing these decorations together. No, you have to clean first before you start applying other things. So just making sure everything is just nice and refreshed. Like I said, once you start cleaning, everything else falls into place. And once I start cleaning, like, I like to go ahead and get it all out the way. I don't like to start and then stop. Like, I'm going to keep going, and I'll settle down once I'm done. So once I got done, you guys, I said, let me go ahead and get what she's going to wear for tomorrow for school. I grabbed her things. Now it's the next morning. She's up and ready for school. I'm about to tackle her hair. Yes, you guys, I had pretty much tried this curly hairstyle at the top. I don't know, but it actually turned out, pretty good. I really wanted to find her curls some more. Being that I pressed her hair out and blow dried a few, it kind of took away her curls. So I'm just trying to get her curls back in her hair so she can kind of do like more wash and goes and make it more, easier for me. Because like I said, as time goes on, y'all, it be hard. Like, single moms, literally single parenting is not a walk in the park, especially doing it alone. And I've been doing this alone for 10 years, and it's just like, you would think it get easier as time go by, but nah, it don't. Like, it's hard with just one child. And I be like sitting here thinking, like, how do people do it with multiple kids? Like, woo, it's some work, but we gets it done. Like we really, really gets it done. Teamwork make the dream work over here, and we big on that. So, yeah, she always ready for school and getting herself together. She love keeping herself up. I love keeping her up. Making sure she's smelling good and looking good as well. So yeah, I just figured I'll bring you guys with me, let you guys see a little insight of my day. And yeah, happy Monday, and we are off to school. This is her OOTD, and let me know if y'all like this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.